What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a cabin filter on the C63, but we do have to make a run to AutoWorks so I can pick up the filter because I did forget it there. But also while we're there, I'm going to pick up my C300 because the weather is starting to get bad here in Maryland and I do not want to be dailying this car. We're at AutoWorks now. Here's the C-Class. Now, a lot of you guys have not seen this car in God knows how long, but I did have an issue with this car. With all these W204 model C-Classes, they do have the subframe issue, and unfortunately that got bad enough to where the back end was swaying around, so I did not drive this car for, I don't know, probably 4 months. But I did get it fixed. But if you do plan on buying one of these cars, make sure you do get the rear subframe checked out. I mean, it is a clean car. I mean, the car's got 163,000 miles on it, so I mean, it's in pretty much fantastic condition, minus some cosmetic stuff on the exterior. But she starts right up and she runs smooth. And if you haven't noticed already, I did take the spacers off. If anybody does want the spacers, I am selling them. If you live in the States, I'll ship them for free.
Man, it's starting to look like a car dealership here.
Yep.
Not too many cars.
How many cars we got total? 5?
We just moved the car over just so we can access and have some room over here so we can get underneath the glove box to change the cabin air filter.
The cabin filter is underneath of the glove box on the passenger side. There is a couple T20 bolts holding in the plastic tray underneath, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out.
Wow, put it. Where? There she is. Got it. It's got battery in it. Yep. She's ready to go. Here. There you go.
There is one.
I like how yours light up. So which filter did you get? Let's see, the main air filter. There's the part number.
If you guys are interested, if you have this car, we'll put a link in the description so you can pick one of these up. Just do make sure, I believe there's probably a lot of Mercedes that use the same cabin filter, so just make sure you do double check your fitment. Here's the filter. Now, it's not that dirty, but you could definitely see the dirt in there. I didn't know how dirty it was, so I just wanted to go ahead and replace it so I know that it's clean.
Moving some parts around down there. The trim, the plastic trim piece.
Yep.
And what's that other? And then like the footwell down there. Pulling that back. Did you get it?
Yeah, just put all this back together now. I don't get why they make it, like, it's easy to do, but they make it so tedious.
See these white tabs right here? They slide, this white piece here slides to lock it into place. So this way is the incorrect way. This is the way it goes in. You want this tab, this white tab, to be on the left side. And once you slide it in, this will slide over. This is all one unit. This will slide over to lock it into place.
That is going to do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you do smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. That is going to do it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah.